till it dries on your face. Here. I'm sorry, my fan is huge. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to be doing the turmeric mask for my people who have blackheads or want to move dark marks or anything on their skin. Now during this time of the year, usually our skin tends to get lighter, and so you want to even out your skin tone, and this turmeric mask does that for you, okay? And it gives you like a natural glow. So I'm not going to talk too much. Majority of the ingredients and descriptions and the benefits of each ingredient will be in my description box. So make sure while you're there to share, like, and subscribe, okay? Thank you. All right, so the warm towel just opens up your pores to prepare your skin for the mask. And also it just opens it up to be able to remove the dead skin properly. Next, we're going to use an alcohol pad. Now, it's up to you if you want to use the regular alcohol or the rubbing alcohol. Now, one is clear, one is green. Some people say that the clear one is too severe for their skin and the green one is more suitable. But either way, they both clean. But you don't want to put the extra damage on your skin either. So we're just going to go ahead and use the alcohol pad here to remove any extra dirt on our faces while our pores are open. Okay. Now that we're done with that, we're going to get to the mixing part. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys about the mixing, about turmeric in general, okay? Don't be like me and waste it. Put a towel down, wear clothes that you don't mind getting stains on, because turmeric is very hard to get out of furniture and clothing and carpets. Speaking from experience. Now we're going to go ahead and get to mixing here. Now, you don't really have to measure. You can do it to your liking. Some people like to store it for later. But me, I'm just going to make enough for this video so I can show you guys how to make it. Okay? Alright. So I put just about that much. Because we're doing it on our face. Now, you can use this mask on any other parts of your body. But today we're doing our face. Alright? Now, I have some... Can you see it? It's not focusing. There we go. I have some leche here, some milk. And milk just simply contains lactic acid, which can give you anti-aging effects. Now, you don't have to pour a lot of it in there because you don't want it to be too watery. You want it to be like a paste. Last but not least, the honey. Now, the honey just assists with opening up your pores to get rid of the blackheads more, and we just mix them all together. They just make a compact mass here. You want it like a natural paste. Okay. Now, I'm going to inform you guys also that I don't know too much about makeup. So, I don't know what this brush is typically called, but they usually use it to apply their bronzer, I think. But I've been using it to apply my turmeric mask because it does a very good job at doing it. Alright, so now this is our paste here. It's going to look like that. Yay! Easy, right? Doesn't take long. Alright, so now we're just going to apply it on our skin. It's going to be very, like a cool feeling. It feels really soothing, okay? Now, for my people who value their eyebrows and their edges, turmeric is a natural hair remover. Do not put this on any area of your body where you don't want your hair removed. You're going to wake up and your eyebrows are going to be gone. You'll be like, what happened to my eyebrows? I was using the mask. No. Because Asia informed you. Do not put this on any area where you don't want your hair removed, such as your eyebrows and your edges. Okay? Now, while this mask sits on your face, you can go do any extracurricular activities, do some homework, listen to some music. You'll eventually forget that it's on your face until it hardens up, okay? Or you can be like me and get a fan. and just wait till it dries on your face. Here. I'm sorry, my fan is huge.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so it has officially dried on my face. And I'm going to show you guys how it's supposed to feel. See, it's dry here. Great. Now, you don't wash this off like a regular mask. It's like a scrub and mask in one. So the way to remove it is with your hand. See how it's peeling off? It would be easier to do this and then hop in the shower. But if you're in a rush or anything, I hope you have leisure time before you put this on your face, because this is not a mask that you can just put on and think that you're gonna run flat out the door because of the removing process. I'm just gonna keep on peeling until it peels on off. You'll feel the difference as well as you're peeling this off. And then when you just get to a stopping point where you feel like it's not being removed anymore, turn that water on. Oh, one of a kind. This is my aftercare product. It's vitamin C. It's not focusing, boo. There we go. Vitamin C serum. Now, vitamin C is very good for the skin. It's very beneficial. So if you don't eat a lot of oranges, this would be good for your skin. And it's very light because I have oily skin. And this is the only serum and oil that does not add oils to my skin. It's literally just a serum. So we just also some natural hair videos. Hey. Also, make sure you wash your hands before you touch anything else because you don't want to get turmeric. Last but not least, I would like to thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
All right, cut and print. Beautiful, guys. Dynamite. That is...
Hey, Tab, I like this one.